Kábíyèsí Gumi o. Kádé ó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Kábíyèsí Gumi. I'm sorry, you see the hypocrisy in this country. It has now become a country where people are telling us that kidnapping children is a lesser evil and that we should negotiate with bandits. If Nnamdi Kanu says this one now, they will send him life imprisonment. But Gumi can say it and keep saying it, we play it back, government will never see anything about it. That's why I say Kábíyèsí Gumi. See, some people are VVIP. You know, as we're talking about Sheyi Tinubu, some people are untouchable, which is called VVIP. Gumi is one of them. I think the next thing now we beg government is give him battalion and police protection. So that he'll be carrying everywhere and everything. I mean, maybe if he doesn't even have protection already.
All right.
Because you see, the level of hypocrisy that goes on in this country is overwhelming.
Yes.
Please, can you please tell me the difference between what Gumi has said and all the atrocities that they put against Nnamdi Kanu? Yeah, he incited violence. Saying people should negotiate with people that have killed people.
No country can
Is it?
Cure terrorism.
No country can cure terrorism.
Nigeria cannot.
I'm sorry. With due respect, people.
There are so many countries that don't have as many terrorists as we do.
There used to be the Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia. They cured that level of terrorism.
Yes.
Peru, if you read Hernando de Soto's book, The Shining Path Rebels, Peru cured it. All right. Hernando de Soto wrote about it a lot. So countries do overcome this.
The mystery of capital.
The mystery of capital.
Overcome
so they overcome it. So
Bandodos.
Gumi should stop. And that's why I say it's Kábíyèsí. We should just enthrone him, Kábíyèsí.
And I told you the other day, even in this interview, he did say that he goes into the forest with government officials. He doubled
so he has police protection already?
He has people negotiating with government officials in the forest. Well, all right.
No, one question.
Yes.
Maybe Ayo can answer.
Yes.
He says that even in the Bible and the Quran, that the Bible and the Quran recommend negotiation with terrorists.
No, not at
Please,
all.
what part of the Bible?
I don't know. Definitely not speaking for the Bible. We don't. No negotiation with terrorists. None at all.
And this is the stance that the Senate is pushing now. We should not be negotiating.
And this is misinformation, disinformation, and it is very dangerous. Because it
Are
has
you sure Gumi doesn't know the Bible more than you?
I'm sure he does at this point.
All right.
Are you sure?
Check your verse.
Pastor has spoken.
The pastor has spoken.
And he's influential, and there are some ignorant people that will be following him. It's false.
All right.
And the government has not done. They've not even invited him. So is Kábíyèsí Gumi VVIP?
And we keep talking about the same story.
And he says kidnapping is a lesser evil.
That's
which means kidnapping is good.
It's good.
Actually, this is very inflammatory. Because once you've kidnapped a child, that person is scarred for life.
Yes.
Wait.
So there's no that person is
scarred for life. It's not Gumi.
That child is scarred for life.
It's Nnamdi Kanu. They can quickly let him out. It's not Gumi. Applaud for Gumi.
These are not the sort of rhetorics that we need in our nation. Now under milestones.